you guys? It's your girl Shan. Today we're back with another popping video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do 2 flat twists as a style. Shout out to Alicia for this idea. Y'all go subscribe to her. But this video is going to be very beginner friendly. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, we got some more great videos on the way in the future, but we're just gonna get right into this video. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do, y'all, just gonna take my hair off these you know, ponies. I've been wearing my hair in 2 bun buns, so that's why it look kind of wild. I would recommend doing this style on old hair because you're gonna be using gel and stuff to slick it down. All right, so I got my spray bottle. All right, so first, you know, this is how I do it. I say, wet your hair first. As y'all can see, my hair right now it's not that curly. I mean, like it's not that, you know. Because it's old. Like I said, it's like 2.5 weeks old, but that's fine with me for this style anyway. Make sure you have like a Y2 comb like this. And so the next step would be, you know, to comb out your hair. After you wet it. I appreciate all the support on my last video. I appreciate each and every one of y'all that subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the likes, the comments. I just want y'all to know, just not go unnoticed. It is very appreciated, and I really appreciate that. Things first, if your hair is not already positioned in the middle part like mine, just, you know, comb it out. Make sure you can actually get the comb through it. Make sure you get you like a rectangle comb like this. You're just gonna part it down the middle. I'm gonna just do this over, but my hair pretty much already parted. I hope y'all know how to part hair, but you know, just take the comb.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Make sure it's parted down the middle. I really don't want to redo my part because it's already parted. But yeah, see, I just straight down the middle, right? Okay. After you do that, put one side in the ponytail. All right, but the next step, I'm gonna get close so y'all can see this, is to like take the comb, right, and put like a part. I don't know what you call it, a part. Yeah, part. You're gonna put a part right, like about this much. Probably should put my glasses on, but I didn't feel like putting my contacts in. If you have regular eyesight, you really be thankful. You don't have to worry about glasses and contacts. You can just get up and go. You can just wake up and see. As for me, if I don't have the bifocals, it's over with. But we big and do that. All right. Next, what you're gonna do? Part it like about right here. You wanna have slick, straight parts, right? Slick, straight parts. Okay. I keep dropping my comb. But after you part that one, you're going to want to part it right here. And do another little part in between there. And this is just me. I just like to make sure my parts are really straight, right? And so as y'all can see, next step is you can get ready to begin your twist. All right. Watch as I, oh, head too high. But watch as I just gonna take it and put it down the middle like that.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? Because you look like a beautiful night.
This don't gotta be that straight. And then what you're gonna do is just wrap it like that, right? Wrap it. Let me turn this side. Wrap it, right? After you do that, what you're gonna do is stick your finger like, let me see if I can show, I wanna make sure you see. Stick your finger like underneath, and as you're twisting, you're just gonna start to pick up some hair. Okay? And you're gonna do that over. Pick up some hair, twist. Pick up some hair, twist. Pick up some hair, twist. Okay. Pick up some more, twist. Now it's gonna start getting a little tricky back here. That's where the thick part of your hair comes in. So what I like to do is, I'll spray some more water.
Like digging for the comb, but I spray some more water and comb it out. Make sure it's like, you know, sitting down enough so it's manageable.
And go under, twist again. And as you can see, I tuck it so it won't be like too much.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Ah.
You break it, you bought it.
Oh, it's starting to get, see, it's starting to get thick. My hair is thick, dude. But go under, twist again. Then I like the brush, and then just comb this part down. So I want to take it. You just repeat that. Oh, it's really tricky back here. See, it's getting thick as hell back here. So what I didn't say ultimately was you continue the same process to pick up the hair and pull it on top, and that's how you're gonna finish the back part of your flat twist. But as you'll see, I'll do 3 sections instead of 2. And then what I like to do is split it in 3. Go like that. Cause my hair is just too thick to do it in just 2. So one side done. Another thing is, it's not gonna be perfect if you have thick hair, but it is what it is. Ain't nobody finna sit up here and trying to get no perfect twist. As y'all can see, this is some thick hair. So, like I said, it is what it is.
Did you get ready in the
Call it a good day, yeah. So now we on the other side. Same process, spray. So I haven't did this style in a while, so don't be like, you know, it ain't perfect. It ain't gonna be perfect. Take your comb, same process. Part it.
Don't judge me.
Like right there.
I just wish you knew. That's just like you.
Part this again.
I be looking at the mirror. I'm gonna put this. Get the twister. Then catch it under.
I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I
of my hair is so easy. It's like, because the other side of my hair is thicker, I believe. So, it's easy for me to go for this hair. Maybe just keep moving. Show y'all this side. But y'all see how I never stopped the process. I'm still like picking more hair. I'm still going under, if that makes sense. When she catch that? Now I'm gonna kind of split it in 3.
One. 2, 3 sections. And just kind of like French braid. Take this. Let me just do it and yeah, just. If your hair has like a different texture from mine, that's easier to just do 2, continue doing 2, then continue doing 2. But I like to do 3 because 2 stuff don't get me. My hair too thick.
Don't judge me. I just wish you knew.
So this side came out way better. I'm finna redo this side. But like I said, this side of my hair thicker. But this side came out beautiful. But this side, I'm finna redo it.
This part big enough like the other part, and I especially should have did this part for the neck because this side is thicker. But we gonna redo this. And y'all can stay and watch. Cause I keep it real with y'all. Cause y'all my shaky babies. Shaky babies. Real y'all. Real talk. Alright, but same steps apply. Spray the damn hair. Spray the damn hair. Comb it up. Take it comb. Please do it. If your hair's real thick, please do it a little far back. Cause I did this part further back and this twist came out better. Mind you, I haven't did these flat twists in a while cause it be aggravating for me to do. So take a little minute. But wash your hair, give it some room. Especially if you got thick hair.
I think you're really cool.
Point it one more time.
Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you as I need you. I want you.
Twist back. Another like this. And go back. See, pick up the hair. Pull it on top. Go back. Pick up the hair. On top. Go back. Push your finger under. Pick up the hair. On top. Go back. Under. On top. Back. This side, right? This right there. But under. On top. Under. On top. I'm gonna do my little 3 parts. If you need to pick up your comb, go through it like I keep doing, do it. Change this to 1, 2, 3. 2 French braids.
If you feel like a piece of your hump is sticking up right there, you can put it easily. Just get a bobby. 1 second. And bobby that joint down. Bobby that joint down. And I like this one way better than the first time. But bobby's my go-to. if you got a minor income, like if something bother you, go to a barber pin. That's gonna fix it. This looks much better than the first one. So like the way I did this one, y'all really go by that. Now this side looks way better than it did the first time. That makes sense. But we're gonna do this last step. So get some gel, get your little edge brush. If you use a toothbrush, whatever you use for your edges. And just put it around your edges. Do your edges.
This looks so much better on your edges than that. Because I kind of already did these over here. What are you doing? Just do your edges. Shoot, shoot, shoot. I want to be free, eh? I want to be free. It's the style, 360.
This is the next morning. I have wrapped it up, but I just wanted to show y'all that, you know, the twist actually stays. So it's really a good protective style and stuff. Okay, so we just did 2 flat twists. We did it with the middle part. If you want to do it with a side part, you can, but you know, the same thing still applies. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching this video. I thank you for clicking on this video. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. I hope I was able to help you all be able to do 2 flat twists. Like I said, this was perfect. I'm not a professional hairstylist or nothing, so you know, this was just like you know, the shin flat twist, I guess. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned how to do some flat twists. I thank you for all the love and support. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. You're on the road to 200 subscribers. Thank you all so much for the support, and I hope you continue to enjoy the videos because we got some more popping stick coming in the future. As y'all can see, I looks good. Anyways, I hope y'all have a great and a blessed day. I will see y'all in the next popping video, and we out. Peace.